Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, let's take a look at how to make EasyEDA automatically adjust the position of component attributes when you rotate symbol in a schematic. When we are drawing a circuit, we often need to rotate symbol to make the layout look cleaner. But after rotation, the attribute text, like part names or parameters, usually go out of place. You then have to move them around manually, which is annoying and time-consuming. That's where a really handy feature comes in: auto-adjust attribute position. Once it's enabled, the attribute text will automatically move to the right position whenever you wrote a symbol. Here's how to set it up. First, click the Setting button on the top menu bar. In the pop-up window, find and expand schematic symbol on the left side. Then click on the General option underneath. On the right panel, you will see an option called Adjust Properties Location automatically when components are rotated. Simply tick the checkbox in front of it. Then click Apply and Confirm. Once you are done that, anytime you rotate a symbol in your schematic, the attribute text will follow automatically. No more manual dragging. To sum up, this small feature can really improve your drawing efficiency and keep your schematics neat and organized. It's especially useful when you are dealing with dense layouts or frequently adjusting component orientations.